Guys, what is good? What is good, boys? We took a trade and we're just sitting at our losses right now. But I couldn't get the live trade out because I was eating dinner. But let's go over why I took the trade and potentially what I could have done better. But yeah, nothing too crazy is happening. Let's hope, obviously, we go and go down. But let's go through the day. So coming into the day. We're on the daily. We're pretty bearish. We've made long wicks, and yeah, looks like it's gonna go up. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, that's the daily. Yeah, so 4 hourly is looking pretty shit for longs. We made long wicks to the upside, filled in a 4 hour gap, so I'm expecting some sort of, reaction going down. And yeah, that's like on the 4 hourly. There's nothing else too much on the 4 hourly. On the 1 hour, this is where things get a little juicy. So we have an hourly order block right here, and we haven't tapped into it yet. I think we might tap into it. But the bad thing is, and why I might get stopped, we have literally basically dead equal highs right here, which is a strong draw, which we might want to hit. So that's a little bit annoying. And we are in these gaps. You guys probably think I'm crazy for going into shorts, but I'll explain why in a minute. And yeah, we're in this high time frame, 1 hour, gap in these gaps. So that's also pretty nice. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the hourly. We don't have anything else, so yeah, that's on the hourly. 30-minute, nothing else really. Again, long wicks to the upside. We ended up taking out Asian session high and didn't take out New York Stock Exchange. We made equal highs, so yeah, that's pretty nice as well. But yeah. Alright, now coming into the 5 minutes. So we identified what it was, and it was New York manipulation. We won't talk about New York. It was Asian persuasion manipulation, followed by a London reversal. So we manipulated in Asian session, right? But we also kind of manipulated in London session as well, because it was like London session manipulation. Anyways, London manipulated, took out Asian session high, and it also took out, Asian session also took out hourly highs, and then we made equal highs, and I was hoping to take that out, but we made, again, equal highs. And yeah, we had the reaction down. We took out all of this liquidity. Now, I would have entered into shorts, if I could have, but there was no clear entry. We just, plummeted down. But, I expected us taking this out. Then I wanted to wait because, I don't think we were going to go down, even more after that since we took out liquidity. Filled in a gap and an order block. And then we got a reaction up, swept out a bunch of 1 minute liquidity right here, and started going down. Now, what I waited for was a 5 minute disrespect in the gap, and that's when I entered. That was my 5 minute continuation. We also had an equilibrium fill here and a reaction, so but as you guys can tell, price is literally just not the best at all. I don't even know what you call this, consolidation. So yeah, we're just consolidating right now. We might break out of it soon. I don't know, I think we're breaking out of it right now, which is a little bit annoying because it's not going the way we want it to go. So yeah, that's kind of the trade that I took. Shit, we're balling up. That isn't really good. That is not good at all. I think we're getting reaction up. Yeah, I reckon we're gonna take out these, and honestly, I don't know if I should have gone into shorts. Now, the reasoning is because we already swept out initial liquidity right here. We had 1, 2, 3, and we filled in a gap, and we went into an order block. And I thought that this was just the reaction we were going to get. Now, we still might push down. I'm gonna have break even right here, because we have high time frame gaps as well, which we might want to just fill and then rally up. But yeah, overall it was a pretty decent trade. Definitely got to work on. See, what I don't get is Asian session manipulated, but then London session manipulated. So I don't understand, because I'm trying to learn like the manipulation shit from TGR, and yeah, Asian session manipulated, but then also London session manipulated. So I'm not too sure what happened, but what I said was London session manipulation followed by a reversal. So because Asian manipulated, maybe it's a London reversal. So yeah, that's why I had that bearish bias for today. And shit, yeah, it's not looking too good. I think we're gonna get stopped out, but overall we were patient, we didn't have FOMO, and we waited patiently for proper confirmation. But yeah, we probably should have, I don't know why I went into shorts, if I think about it, because we swept out this initial liquidity. We're literally about to hit my stop loss. That's all goods. No, we still might go in my direction. We might just sweep out this liquidity. Anyways, overall, decent trade. Again, I'm pretty happy with myself that I stayed patient and waited for proper confirmation. I just think my bias was wrong. Yeah, I need to get better at identifying bias for sure. But yeah, I feel like this should have been enough for me to not go for shorts. Honestly, it wasn't really the best day to trade today. I'm not gonna lie. Well, it looked like it was good at first, but I don't know if I should enter on 1 minutes and stuff, because if I was to enter on the 1 minute, I would have gotten an entry like right like here, somewhere around here, and I'd be in my profits. But I usually just wait for 5 minute confirmation, which is alright. Yeah, we're probably gonna get stopped out. That's all goods. But that's gonna be it, guys, for this trade recap. And I'll see you boys tomorrow for tomorrow's trade recap.